Dear students, let us solve one more cubic equation. So the equation is 4y triple dash plus 4y double dash plus y dash equals to 0. So we can write this equation as 4d cube plus 4d square plus d into y equals to 0. So the respective auxiliary equation is 4m cube plus 4m square plus m equals to 0. So again here at the value of a, coefficient of m cube will give you a, that is 4. Then coefficient of m square will give you value of b, that is 4. Then coefficient of m will give you value of c, which is equals to 1. Then whether d coefficient is present, no. So what is value of d? D is equals to 0. Okay, so let us use again calci and find the roots. Okay, so let me clear it. So how to clear? Press shift 9. Okay, then say 3 to clear everything, all. Okay, then say s means equals to, then press AC. Okay, now again substitute the value of ABCD. So of, go to alpha mode, so equation 5, then cubic equation, so press 4, right? So A value is how much? Press 4 equals to, B is 4 equals to, C is 1 equals to, then D value is 0, then again press equals to, then get the roots. So the first root x1, how much it is showing? It is showing the first root x1 m equals to minus 1 by 2, and then again press equals to. It is showing another root as 0. So return the root as 0. Okay, so in calci it is showing the root as minus 1 by 2 and 0. So among this, which is repeated? So in order to clear the confusion, let us simplify the given example. Okay, so the given example here, what we have got the auxiliary equation as 4m cube plus 4m square plus m equals to 0 plus m. Okay, so what we can take common? We can take m common, so you are going to remain with m into 4m square plus 4m plus 1 equals to 0, right? So now this is m as it is, so this 4m square plus 4m plus 1 is nothing but expansion of 2m plus 1 the whole square equals to 0. So from this, what it implies? M is 0 and we have what? 2m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 equals to 0. So what it implies? M is equals to 0 and we have got 2m plus 1 equals to 0 implies m is equals to minus 1 by 2 and one more minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is repeated here, right? Therefore, now with respect to this, let me write the complementary function. So the root is real, the first root 0 is real and minus 1 by 2 is repeated. So with respect to this root, let us write the complementary function. So y equals to c1 into e raised to 0x plus C2 plus C3x into e raised to minus x by 2. Okay, so e raised to 0, as we all know, it is equals to 1. So solution y equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3x into e raised to minus x by 2. Now let us consider one more example. So write down the question. Solve d cube y upon dx cube plus y equals to 0. This is also a cubic equation, and in terms of operator we can write it as d cube plus 1 into y equals to 0. So the auxiliary equation is given by m cube plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore coefficient of m cube is 1, so a is equals to 1. M square, we don't have m square, so b equals to 0. We don't have m, so c is also 0. Then the constant d is equals to 1. So let us substitute the roots by using calc. Okay, so I have taken alpha mode. From this I have taken the equation 4. Okay, substitute the value of a, b, c, d, whatever we have got here. We have got a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0, c is equals to 0, and d is equals to 1. Okay, then just check what will be the roots. It is showing x1. X1 is equals to how much? It is showing you the first root, so let me write m1 is equals to minus 1. Then press again equals to. It is showing you the second root. What is second root? m2 equals to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I. Then again press equals to. Okay, it is showing you the third root, m3. It is 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 I. So the third root is plus or minus. Okay, 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 into I. So let us write the respective complementary function for this. You have got one of the root is minus 1 and other two root is complex root. So how we are going to write the yc? Yc is given as c1 into e raised to minus x plus e raised to px. So what is value of p here? It will give you, from this, value of p equals to 1 by 2 and value of q is equals to root 3 by 2. So e raised to px, p is 1 by 2 into x into c2 cos qx root 3 by 2 x plus c3 sin root 3 by 2 into x. So this is what the required final answer.